In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Sam's Club membership. To get started, head to the official Sam's Club website and take a look at the membership options available. Sam's Club generally offers two main plans. The first is the club membership, which gives you standard access to shop both in-store and online. The second is the Plus membership, which includes the regular club benefits along with extra perks like free shipping on eligible online orders over a certain amount, rewards on qualifying purchases, early shopping hours, and added savings on select services. Before moving on, it helps to quickly think about how often you plan to shop and whether those extra benefits would be worth it for you. Once you know which plan sounds right, you can choose how you want to sign up. If you want the fastest option, you can join online through the official Sam's Club membership page by clicking Join. If you'd rather do it in person, you can also visit the member services desk at any Sam's Club location and enroll there. Both methods will get you to the same result, so it really comes down to your preference. If you're signing up online, the next step is to fill out the registration form. You'll be asked to enter your basic account information, such as your full name, mailing address, and the contact details needed for your account. You'll also create login credentials so you can manage your membership online later. As you enter everything, make sure the information is accurate so there are no delays or account issues afterward. After that, select the membership tier you want and review the annual membership fee along with the included benefits. This is a good time to double check that you've chosen the plan that best matches your shopping habits. Next, add a payment method. You'll need a valid credit or debit card to pay for the annual membership. During this step, you may also be given the option to enroll in automatic renewal. If you like the convenience of uninterrupted access, that can be helpful, but make sure you choose the option that works best for you. Then complete your registration by reviewing all of your information and submitting the application. Once your payment is processed, your membership becomes active. Finally, access your membership card. You can download the Sam's Club app to use a digital membership card right away, which is often the easiest option. If you prefer a physical